Hello. What's up, homie? This is Palisandre or whatever. Okay. We'll just say Palas. Palas says, hello, lately something weird happened to my PC. When I'm exiting a game, the computer shuts down. Before this, I've noticed that my 16 gigs of RAM dual channel wasn't running on their full performance, and I set the RAM frequency to 3200 in the BIOS, previously 2400. When I was playing games on 3200, Rust for example, would crash my PC in 5 minutes, no Windows shutdown on screen, just like when the power goes out. When I changed back the frequency to 2400 when it used to be, the PC would only crash a few seconds after I exited the game. Also, when the PC crashes and Windows boots back in, the task manager in the memory tab, there is 8 gigs allocated to hardware reserve section. To solve this, I need to go into BIOS and change the frequencies and restart my PC. It then shows the normal 50 megs allocated to hardware reserve. This makes me think that there is a RAM problem, right? I tried swapping out the 2400, 3000, 3200 megahertz, cleaning the RAM, replacing them in different slots. Nothing solves the crashing problem. I'm looking for the past hours, found some things that didn't work in my favor, and nothing seems to help. No, a few days ago, before this problem, I've upgraded my GTX 1050 Ti to a used GTX 1660 Super 6, and I wonder if there is a problem with it. Temperatures are normal. Is that a Tildor? Oh, no. Okay. He has a second question. Okay. So we'll just work them separately. Ryzen, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so with this, when it crashes and comes back up, go to Start Event Viewer System and scroll down and see the time of the crash. Look for the critical errors, the time of the incident. This will point you in the right direction. Let me know what it says. That's not gonna help. Gotcha. Are there any other critical errors, or is that the only one? Yeah, so if it's crashing, well, you haven't said whether or not he's tried different memory. He's tried swapping between 2400, 3000, and 3200. In other words, changing his speeds. Also, you said you changed between 2400, 3000, and 3200. This means your memory frequencies are custom, correct? Normally, you just have the one XMP profile. So for you to say that you changed between 24, 3000 and 3200, that means that you were setting this manually. So it's a problem. The problem may straight up be you. This means your memory frequencies are custom, correct? If so, what happens if you reset the BIOS? Does that make any change to the issue at hand? Yeah, so kind of just play it that way, because it's like, okay, well, you just literally told me that you tried changing it from 2400 to 3000, 3200. Well, that's not an XMP profile, and you didn't make it seem like you had the actual memory that is 3000 and the memory that is 3200. So that just leads me to believe that you actually made the change and updated the memory yourself. So if that's the case, then yeah, we don't really trust that. I would rather you go ahead and reset it and run a BIOS reset and see if that fixes the issue. If this is proven true. Okay, that's how I want to say that one. Oh yeah, that's right, he had 2 issues. What was the second issue? A few days ago, before this problem, I've upgraded my GTX 1050 Ti to a used 1660 Super, and I wonder if there's a problem with it. Temperatures are normal. Oh, okay, so you're just wondering if that is an issue on top of or it could be causing the actual issue. No, I'll just ignore it then. No for that one. Oh, maybe I'll tell him. Doesn't seem like the GPU is the culprit, but keep him detained for further questioning. LOL. Exactly. Just keep him detained for further questioning. We don't know for sure, But as of right now, we're just kind of troubleshooting it as if it was a memory problem, because that's what makes the most sense. And that's what you changed, or that's what you tried to, whenever you were trying to go from 2400 to 3000 to 3200. So we'll play it that way. And let's see what happens. Keep us posted, Paulus.